I've always wanted to know how easy it would be to knit colorwork following a chart. So I searched online for an easy flower chart and printed it out. Here's what it looks like. And I'm going to use the white would be the green, the black will be the purple. So let's get started. I first cast on and made a knit and purl row just regular to make a kind of border. And then began with the colorwork pattern. At the top, I cast off. Cut off all the tails. And here's how it came out. It was so easy to follow the pattern and it came out looking absolutely gorgeous. The picture was a bit cut off, but I don't mind since this was just a trial, and it came out really nice. This opens a whole new world to me and I can't wait to try out more patterns. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!